Welcome back my dear friend. In this tutorial you will learn how to use two WhatsApp account on Samsung phone. So let's get started. First of all, unlock your phone, open the settings page. Then scroll down slowly. Here you can find the advanced features option. Tap to open them. Once you are in the advanced feature page, scroll down again. This time you can find the dual messenger option. Tap to open them. You can see all of the available dual messenger supported listed there. Simply find the WhatsApp app there, tap on the toggle switch next to their name, then hit the install button and wait to complete the installation process. After the installation is done, go back to your home screen, open the app door. You can see your first WhatsApp app and the second clock WhatsApp app. If you identify the clock app, you can see the icon here. Now simply open the first WhatsApp app and use it. Also, you can go back to the previous page, open the second WhatsApp if you want to recently generate, then log into your account or sign into new account, then use both account on one Samsung phone. Thanks for watching. Like this video, please subscribe to my channel.